Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year. I'm very pleased to be with Hollie Dixon of Euchner. She's going to be talking about MGB2. So Hollie, over to you. You have 3 minutes to explain to our readers why MGB2 should be considered as DPA Product of the Year.
I believe the best machinery safety product should certainly do more than just simply lock a door. It should deliver maximum safety, minimise engineering efforts, and hopefully speed up fault finding should there be any faults, and adapt when the machine changes, which seems to be something that continually happens at the moment. That's why Euchner MGB2, in my opinion, is certainly one of the strongest all-round safety door solutions in the market at the moment. So the MGB2 combines the safety switch itself, the guard locking, controls, indicators, and we can also do some access control measurements as well. And these all can reach category 4 and performance level E, available for its safety functions. So engineers can therefore basically build a coherent platform around one switch and one gate. There's 2 versions. So we've got the MGB2 Classic, which is the classically wired one. So that's straightforward, hardwired into the machines. Use parallel wiring, and it accepts up to 3 local controls or indicators, and it allows up to 10 units to be connected in series. We then also have our more new product, which is the MGB2 Modular, which now sits on various field bus platforms, and that also now includes our Ethernet IP SIP safety. But we also do Profinet with ProfiSafe, EtherCAT with failsafe over Ethernet. They've got 2 sub-module slots in the actual locking module itself, and we can also do 6 controls and indicators within that. And then we also have got expansion modules available if you want to put things in like control stations. Here's an example here. You've got many different options. We've got over 100 sub-modules. So for engineers, a design engineer, for example, that needs fewer components, easier standardization, and then a platform that they can change with machines depending on what PLC they use. From a commissioning and installation point of view, we have integrated mounting plates, we have alignment aids, and we can use this on both hinged and sliding doors. So we've got different handles that we can use. Commissioning as well, it's a single parameter assignment, and we've also got delivers status data from it. And for the end user, the diagnostics that you can actually get from the MGB2 are brilliant. So if for whatever reason someone's accessing a cell and there's a fault, if you've got multiple gates, you can pinpoint which one is the issue and make sure that the machine that we're protecting inside comes to a standstill and that safe access is gained by the user. So if we imagine, like we say, a warehouse with conveyors, shuttles, palletizing cells, each gate can have an MGB2 modular on there, and an operator can press a request for access button, and then the safety PLC can bring the machine to a controlled stop. And we can also do access control now with the CKS2 submodule, which I think David spoke about, the CKS2 itself that we offer too. So personally, I think the MGB2 is a really robust design. It can scale up as much as you want to for things like the industries of, like we say, warehouse and automotives. It's a perfect solution to sit on your field bus networks, and we've got one for more or less most now that are available in the market. So in a short application review, if you want to ever share your door application layout or your application for safety, then I think definitely Euchner can support you with the MGB2.
That's excellent, Hollie. Thank you very much for the explanation. Clearly, there's a lot more that can be dug into on that product. If you'd like to find out more, follow the link that will be provided, and we'll wait to see if MGB2 it will be Product of the Year for 2026. Thank you very much.